This video guides you through 10 simple steps to achieve a clean, healthy, and beautiful carpets. Carpets are more than just soft floors. They're the cozy heart of your home. In this video, I'll share 10 tips to keep your carpets clean and healthy, making your home cleaner, cozier, and more inviting. Vacuuming is one of the best things you can do for your carpets. Vacuuming removes dirt, dust mites, and allergens from your carpets. This not only keeps your carpets clean, but it also increases the air quality in your home and helps combat wear patterns. Make sure to vacuum at least once a week, especially in the busy areas. Don't forget those tricky corners and edges. Use a special edging tool to get them clean. Placing doormats on both sides of your door is a great way to keep dirt and grime out of your home. By having mats on the exterior and interior, you can wipe off and place dirty or wet shoes on the mat. This is especially helpful in snowy or wet climates. Place mats at every entrance to keep your carpets cleaner for longer. If you spill something on your carpet, grab a clean cloth and blot the stain. No rubbing. Mix a little bit of water with some vinegar and gently clean the spot. Use our stain removal guide to find out how to clean your specific stain. It's much easier to clean a spill right after they happen rather than wait a day or two. For a large stain, like a bottle of pop tipping over or a big pet urine stain, soak up as much as possible quickly. This will help avoid any liquid from soaking deep into the underlay and causing more problems. Whether you're having your carpets professionally cleaned or if you're a DIY kind of person, when it comes to cleaning your carpets, don't get them too wet. Remember, less is more. Your carpets should be wet for hours, not days. Ideally, you want your carpets completely dried in about 4 to 8 hours. Your carpets should never be wet for longer than 24 hours. Use any water or cleaning solution sparingly. It's better to let a cleaning product sit a little longer rather than adding more. Adding a stain protection spray can help keep your carpets cleaner for longer by forming a protective coating over the fibers. Some stain protection even protects against harmful UV rays, which can lead to fading in your carpet. Consider a stain protection to help repel stains and keep your carpets looking fresh. Move your furniture around to spread out the wear and tear evenly on your carpet. This will even out the sun fade and prevent high traffic areas from developing permanent traffic lanes. Your home's heating and cooling system pumps dust, debris, and allergens throughout your home. Dust and allergens hang out in the vents, your air, and your furnace filters before they end up falling on your carpet. Keep vents clean and replace furnace filters often to help your carpet stay fresh. Soap is a great cleaner when you can completely flush it away, but it is bad news for your carpets. It leaves a sticky residue behind and it turns your carpet into a dirt magnet. Stick to soap-free products that won't make your carpets sticky. Sometimes your carpets, they just need a little TLC. At Signature Carpet Cleaning, we recommend professional carpet cleanings every 14 to 18 months, depending on your unique situation. If you have pets, a high traffic household, or are really sensitive to allergens, consider a professional cleaning every 8 to 14 months. Professionals have special equipment and cleaning solutions that can bring your carpets back to life. For easy to remove stains, go all natural. Baking soda and vinegar can be your sidekicks. Baking soda absorbs odors, while vinegar mixed with a little bit of water can zap away some common stains. You can also make homemade citrus or enzymatic cleaners for a natural clean. With these simple tips, your carpets will stay fresh and healthy, adding comfort and warmth to your home. For more information, you can check out another one of our great videos or visit us online at signaturecarpetcleaning.ca.